A shed here, 905 Reno. So another project we're doing here at Parlance Garden in Toronto. So this house is a very old home. We're going to be doing a full gut renovation here. This is week number 1, and we've already started all the demolition. We ripped up all the old wall. They actually had lath and plaster in the wall. So this house was never insulated before, believe it or not. So we've started with the framing here. We are going to be installing some rock wool insulation throughout the whole house to keep it very nice and comfy in the summer and winter time. This brick, it's pretty solid actually, believe it or not. This is over 80 years old. It's double brick structural wall. All the ceiling joists is all intact, 2x8s. Everything is still looking good. We're just going to be doing more of the facelift here, putting new drywall insulation. We're maintaining the window. What we're going to be doing here is we're actually going to be putting a patio sliding door. We're going to be cutting the brick, extending it in order to fit a 60-inch patio sliding door. We are going to be building a deck back here as well, just so you can access the back easily from the kitchen. Look at these. These are actually knobs and tubes. A lot of people don't know what these are. These are the old way of doing electrical. The knobs are like grounding system. So we are going to be ripping it all off. We're going to do full rewiring of the entire house, change all the wires and all the electrical fixtures as well, and all the lighting. So this is the second floor. The roof was in a very poor shape, so we had to demo it. We're going to put some new plywood. We're going to have some new roofing here. Look at this. If you have this in your house, you better call 905 Reno. So part of this project is, these are the old ductwork. These are poorly installed, so we are going to be redoing all the duct in this house to make sure we have proper heating and cooling throughout the entire house. Look at this joist. It's literally almost falling apart. So these are the things you see inside walls of an old home. A lot of these 2x4, as you can see, there's a joint here. There's a lot of stress on the subfloor to carry the weight of this wall. So structurally, this wall wasn't really the best here. So we are going to demo it and then have it done properly. So this is the third floor rooftop terrace. Right now it's totally deteriorated. We had to rip off the roof shingles. The bedroom below this area here, there was a lot of water leaks on the roof here. We totally demoed the roof. We're going to be redoing it. We're going to put some railings, have the floor finished so that the clients can use this space as a rooftop terrace.